Okay guys, I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media Survey. Today is 30th April. As I told you in the previous video that the whole of Africa are going to demonstrate, or they are going to protest against America and France on behalf of Captain Ibrahim Traoré. It has happened today, and it was very massive. The bigger one will happen on 25th of May 2025. 25th of May 2025, the bigger one. And this one, oh God, I think they have to show this video to CNN and BBC, because the positive things in Africa they don't show. They only show the negative part of Africa. So they have to send this message or this video to CNN and BBC for them to show this video to the captain Michael to see that we Africans, we love Ibrahim Traoré, and he is the only person that we love, and we have chosen him to be our leader. We have chosen him to be our leader. Look at how Ghanaians and other African countries are so happy, protesting or demonstrating against US and France on behalf of Ibrahim Traoré. In case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the full video.
Of all the resources Burkina Faso have, they've not been able to build even more than 5,000 kilometers of road. Today, as we are speaking, when our politicians go around building first coach, second coach roads, he is building asphalted overland roads. How many years? And today, the person that is building roads, the person that is giving hope to the people, we have some people coming from nowhere to tell them that, we are ready to give you life. In fact, if they want to give life, they should go to Congo, they should go to South Sudan, they should go there, and the mess they caused there, they should go and put it together, take it back to their country. Enough is enough. We are ready to rise up and say, enough is enough. It is now. They can never keep us in the fear or the circles of imperialism. No way. We are ready to detach ourselves and say enough is enough. And this is the time that African youth need to read through the lines and see and realize the truth. The same way they did to Nkrumah, they use the same people. And this is a warning that goes to all African leaders. That's right. That they sit back.
Soldiers stand tall, watchful, unshaken, and ready. They guard not just land, but the hope of a nation. Day and night, they protect us for country, for people, for revolution.
And allow themselves to be used by the imperialists. Exactly. Anytime there has been any elimination of any African good leader, it is great. We use our own people against us.
Just as they are doing right now in Ivory Coast.
And we are sending a strong warning to the Ivory Coast leader, the president of Ivory Coast. If you are a brother and you sit down with our enemy, you become our enemy. Simple. We are not our brother again. Warning to them. Warning to them. And we are sending a strong warning to the president of Ghana to send a strong warning as far as diplomacy is concerned to the president and the consulate of Ghana for Ivory Coast, that enough is enough. We are never going to sit down and allow this to happen again. If we believe in African unification, if we celebrate 6th March, which is our independence, that Nkrumah actually linked it to the total liberation of Africa, we are saying today that as he is a president, he should respect that quote of Nkrumah and also believe in the vision of Nkrumah by sending a message to them.